Hey, broker Brandy in the OC here, and we are hitting the surf to bring you some of Beach Road's best properties currently on the market. So we're outside 35411 Beach Road in Dana Point. Let's see what $13.8 million gets you on the sand. So as we enter in, we see these stone walls on the right. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, I could probably get used to this view. What do you think? I'm sure we all could, right? So you saw what those properties look like from the roadside. Follow me, go ahead and press subscribe, and then follow me out into the treacherous waters of the Pacific Ocean for properties from the impact zone. We kind of hit a snafu on my paddle out. My rudder came out, and so I had no steering. In fact, I had steering, but it was like just wobbling around, which is worse than no steering. So I had to beach it. I found somebody that let me use their screwdriver. Going back out to check out those properties for you. Okay guys, I'm out here living it. Broker Brandy in the OC. I'm actually in the OC. I'm right off here. I'm at Capo Beach. There's Beach Road. That's that $13.8 million one I was telling you about. It's small, it's gray. It's got a couple chairs up top. Can you see that? I don't know what you can see from that angle. 13.8, we went in, 5 bedrooms. Feels like a cave, to be honest. It was very cold, gray, cement walls. Killer tall ceilings though, a lot of great architecture and interior design for somebody, not for me. Felt like a smoker's lounge. I've never been in a smoker's lounge, but that's kind of how I feel it would be. Like when I go beachfront, I want to feel beachy, not New York City. I don't know if that's the right word for it, but yeah, not for me. 13.8, rather, if you like that feel, that more Art Deco-y, stoic type feel, yeah, hit me up. I will gladly represent you on that purchase. I'm going to take you over to a property that I really liked, coming in at 4.995, and it's a 6-bedroom, very beachy, great vacation rental opportunity as well. All right, we'll see you soon. Hey guys, so we're at 35087 Beach Road. This place is listed at 4.995. Let's see what 4.995 gets you on Beach Road. House earlier. Let's see, it's that one straight ahead next to the big yellow one, just to the right of the big yellow one. We saw this house earlier, listed at 4.995. This house has 6 bedrooms, 4 baths, but it's a duplex technically, and so it's both of them rent as Air BnBs, bringing in about $250,000 to $300,000 a year for the owner. It's a great opportunity to have beachfront living and rent one of the units out at a pretty great price. There is a lot of sand between this house and the beach, comparatively speaking to the other listings. Interested in this one? Let me know. Broker Brandy in the OC. Make sure to give me a follow. All right, subscribe below.